Help transform our country was a challenge held for students from across the country. The competition churned out ideas from the students, and the solutions that came out would certainly help them transform urban India.
Transform Urban India National Student Challenge 2012, a campaign to elicit innovative ideas and solutions for urban issues from students across the country, on Thursday announced the 3 winning solutions of the competition.
Because it's the first time that you have the idea, you're almost certain that about 500,000 people.
An initiative by the Indian Institute for Human Settlements, the finals of the event took place at the IIHS Bangalore City campus. The first prize was shared between teams Mool Roop and Kumej, both from Balwant Sheth School of Architecture, NMIMS University, Mumbai. The runner-up was Team Urbana from IIT Kharagpur.
We are from Team Mool and the problem actually happened at a very personal level. We are students of NMIMS, Balwant Sheth School of Architecture, and we all travel by train. And the reason why we wanted to do something with the transport is because we always get late to our classes because there's not availability of auto rickshaws. Apart from that, there's a hike in auto rickshaw fare consistently since many years, and also the bus stand is really far. So the idea was very simple, to introduce a cycle service renting system which works on a very simple idea that you have 2 docking stations.
The experience, actually first what we started with was a very basic problem. We wanted to look at the poor, because they are the majority population who are actually facing a lot of problems, and we were looking at children because they are the future of India. So to begin with, we thought they don't have anything. The construction workers were our major target, and we thought they don't have anything. So for something to begin with, they should have the basic furniture to study. So then we thought of looking at how can we help them in studying better. So then we came up with a furniture design for them, which could help them at home as well as in a school.
The challenge initially received an overwhelming response of 107 complete entries, out of which 23 teams were selected. These teams look to provide solutions to a number of real-world problems identified by them in the urban space, such as sustainability of infrastructure, waste management, transportation challenges, eradication of slums, and education, among many others. 6 teams were shortlisted to present their solutions to a grand jury consisting of eminent policymakers, practitioners, academics, and experts on urbanization.
Even we have seen solutions on varied subjects: transport, energy, solid waste management, access for people with disabilities. So we have seen a variety of solutions being proposed, and the intention is to spark inspiration within students to be able to take on these challenges and to go back and impact the society.
Chandrasekhar B. Bhave, Executive Chairperson IIHS, felicitated the winners of the challenge for their innovative solutions. The 3 winning teams will receive a grant of 3 lakh rupees each to help implement their solutions, along with technical support from IIHS. Additionally, cash awards of rupees 60,000 each were awarded to the winning teams. Nabila for News 9.